Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe an occasion when you spent time with a young child. You should say when was it, who the child was, why did you spend time with the child, and explain what you did and how did you feel. So as you can see, there are 5 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 5 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are speaking. So before jumping on to the answer that I have created, let's brainstorm a few ideas together. So when you get a question like this on your exam, what can be some ideas that you could use? So it could be you went for a movie with a child, or when you were playing some kind of games like outdoor games, maybe badminton or some other kind of game like cricket with a young one. Or it can be an occasion where you were asked to look after a child, right? So there can be many instances that you can use for this type of question. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. I am a sociable person and love the company of other people belonging to different age groups. And today, I would like to tell you about a time when I enjoyed the company of my little niece who is 11 years old. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we are giving a kind of an introduction to the examiner and also telling him clearly what we are going to speak about today by saying, I would like to tell you about a time. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year, around mid August, my sister in law fell ill and had to attend her doctor's appointment, and hence she could not devote time to her daughter's studies, who had a mathematics exam the next day. So, as you all can see, we answered the first 2 questions, which was when was it and who the child was. We still have 3 other questions remaining, so let's continue. Furthermore, she asked me to look after my niece as well as assist her in her preparation as she did not want her exam results to be affected due to her health conditions. Additionally, I taught my niece some easy tips and tricks to solve the sums and equations logically, made her solve some practice tests, as well as assisted her in recapitulating some important formulas. So as you all can see, we have used a range of connectors here like furthermore, additionally, moreover, and all these will enhance our scores for the coherence and cohesion part. Also, instead of saying again and again help, we have used different words like saying assist, aid, right? All of these mean the same things, they are synonyms. And all of these will also increase our band scores for our lexical resources portion later on. Alright, so we answered the third question, which was why did you spend time with the child, and also partly the fourth one, which is explain what you did. The fifth one, which is how did you feel, still remains. So let's continue. Finally, I felt over the moon and joyous as my niece obtained full marks in her test and was the topper in her class as well. I felt proud of myself as I was able to keep up to the expectations of my sister-in-law. So as you all can see, we answered all of the 5 questions. We also made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses or we were not trying to fumble in between, right? So all these will increase our marks for our fluency portion. And also our pronunciation was very clear all throughout. Thank you for your time everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another cue card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.